This right here is the only way you are going to make your Zobo and everyone will love it. Hello value family. In today's video, I'm going to share with you on how to make that perfect fruity exotic Zobo with no nonsense added. See guys, anytime you see a Zobo forming like this on top, just know that you're drinking that correct Zobo. So today I'm going to share with you on how to make that perfect Zobo just like this. So if you're interested in this recipe, make sure to watch this video to the end. Let's get right into the video. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. Of course, we'll be using some Zobo leaves. So the next ingredient I'll be showing you guys is this ginger. If you don't want it too hot, just go minimal with that. We will also be using some semia. I don't know the English name. Just ask those people that sell Zobo ingredients. They'll give you all this. So we have, of course, we have cloves, and these are all the ingredients we'll be using. And I have the fruits here, which are pineapple, oranges, and cucumber. So first of all, we are going to slice up the cucumber, and we're going to use the cucumber in two ways. We'll pour this directly into the pot. So before you start cutting your fruits, just make sure to wash this thoroughly. So the next now we'll be pouring in is the Zobo leaves, and I've already washed it up to 3 times to remove the dust it comes with. I'll be adding now the Samia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this well, but that is what it's called here. I'll pour in the cloves, and I divided the cloves into two. So the next now we're going to be slicing in the oranges. You can decide to juice your orange, but just follow this recipe because we're needing that orange peel boiling and giving its own flavor in this Zobo. Remember, this is an exotic fruity Zobo. So just cut your oranges and we are good to go. I'll also be pouring this directly into the pot where we have all this. And the next fruit now, we are going to be peeling our pineapple. And I've washed this pineapple back very well because we'll be using the pineapple peel for this Zobo. I'll further reduce the size of the pineapple peels because I just wanted to, don't know, just reduce the sizes. Just, this is just me, so that it can just feel similar to the size of the Zobo. So go in now and pour in this pineapple peel into this Zobo we've already added in the pot, and go ahead now to cut your ginger. We are using the ginger also in two parts. We are cutting this part and we are going to be blending the other part. So cut your ginger and just cut as much as you want. If you don't want your Zobo too spicy, just go in easy with your ginger and cloves. So pour this in after cutting and proceed now to pour in water. And you're going to pour in water that will cover up this up. Make sure that everything is totally immersed in this water. And you're going to be giving this a very good stir. You just want to stir everything together, and you're already seeing that color. So I'm just going to stir all these things together. We have the cucumbers and all the whole fruits inside there. When this starts boiling, the aroma that will come out from this is so heavenly. So I'm just going to cover up this pot and we are going to allow this to boil. So once this is cooking, let's go ahead to prep the other ingredients. So into the blender, I'll be pouring in water. I'll go in water first into the blender, adding the, you know, that pineapple that we got the back, just the inside, that's the main pineapple flesh. Pour it into your blender. Add in some cucumbers. We use one part of the cucumber for boiling. We are using the second part for juicing. Added in some ginger, and the next now we are going to be adding in some cloves. Remember I said if you don't want it too spicy, go in easy with these two, that's the ginger and the cloves. So proceed now to blend this till it is very smooth. We're going to blend this till it is very smooth like this, and we are good to go. See, this recipe makes one of the best zobo you will ever taste. So the zobo is already boiling up like this. Ah, the aroma from this, eh? Oh God, I want you to try this for you to understand what I mean. So once the zobo is boiling up like this, we are going to remove all the whole zobo leaves, the fruit, everything. You can just remove using your strainer like this. So I'm taking this out and transferring it into the sieve. Before we proceed, I just let me ask you, yes, you, have you liked this video? Have you shared this recipe, or don't you like what you are seeing? Are you not getting value? Please, the only way you can just tell me well done is by just liking and sharing this recipe. It means so well to me, as this will make me to bring more recipes like this your way. This is how the color of the zobo looks like as we are almost done removing all the whole particles from the zobo. It's quite very dark, but you can see this is what we are aiming for. I'm just making sure to remove as much as I can in this first sieving before we do the proper sieving. Remember the blended mixture we did. This is the time to introduce it now, and you can see how this is for me. You just know that you're on the right path. You are getting the right Zobo mixture. You see that all these bubbles, right? This is it, guys. Just know that you have made a very good Zobo. So I'm just going to make sure I stir this all together, mix it so that everything is well mixed before I proceed now to take this off higher. I know the kinds of compliments I get when people drink my Zobo, so that is why I want you to try this out. So after about 3 hours, this is completely cool. Nne, just take a look at this. Legono color Zoba. This Zobo is the truth. I want you guys to try this recipe out. You will know the difference between Zobo and Sopo. So I'm just going to proceed now to strain this. You can use your cheesecloth to sieve this. You can also use this type of sieve, just that this will take more of your time, but if you're using your cheesecloth, you'll be more faster when you are sieving it. Like I said earlier, this is a zobo with no nonsense added. For this particular recipe, you don't need any sugar nor any artificial flavor, but you are going to get a very tasty, exotic, fruity zobo. So I'm just going to sieve all this zobo and I'll be back to you guys. I'm sure you know that Zobo has lots of health benefits when taken in moderation. But if you are pregnant, please avoid this particular Zobo recipe, or you can just consult your doctor before you can take this. And this is best served chilled. So I'll be serving mine with some ice, and this can last for 3 to 4 weeks when stored very well in your freezer or refrigerator. Thank you guys for watching this recipe, and if you've enjoyed this, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time. For now, take care. Bye.